Hello guys, in this section I will talk about about the temperature dependency of mobility. First, we have to know about mobility. Mobility really depends on the temperature, so we will study about this. There is so many scattering, but in this section I will talk about lattice scattering or an impurity scattering. First, in lattice scattering, the state of lattice or phonon in 0 Kelvin is a frozen state. But when they get some heat energy from the external environment, then the lattice or phonon state will change into vibrate. The lattice vibrate when they get some heat energy. And this is really important because when the lattice gets some vibrate, then the mobility of the lattice gets slower. So in case of lattice scattering, the mobility and temperature relationship is an inverse proportional. So we can draw the graph of lattice scattering like this one. Then when we talk about impurity scattering, if the temperature gets some high, then the thermal energy will be high too. Then it means the kinetic energy will be high. When kinetic energy gets some high, then the lattice of the Coulomb force is so high. It's very stronger than average. So the lattice will overcome the Coulomb force, and so that the velocity is so higher. Overcome Coulomb force, so the mobility gets some higher. So if the temperature gets some higher, then mobility gets some higher. It is an impurity scattering of temperature and mobility relationship. It's a proportional relationship. So we can draw this graph in like this. And we have to know about the equation about this, like for the temperature of the carrier, for the temperature of the carrier, it really depends on slower mobility. So the total mobility is the graph draw like this one. Total mobility graph is like this one. But we will think about another case. If the impurity scattering gets some more dopant, then the mobility gets some lower. Do you agree? In same temperature, in the condition of same temperature. in same temperature, the impurity scattering gets some lower, about this. Then the total graph will move because some impurity scattering graph will change to this one. So the total graph will draw about like this. Thank you.